So our next province is Negros Oriental. The capital city of Negros Oriental is Dumaguete, and then based on 2015 census, their population is 1,354,995, and it has 19 municipalities. Okay. So, what are the attractions in Negros Oriental? So, some of the island best natural scenery and places of adventure with plenty of waterfalls and volcanic lakes to trek. So, one of the most popular attractions in Negros Oriental is the Casaroro Falls. So this is one of the popular attraction of Negros Island and is an amazing place, and everyone should take a look at this place when they visit this island. And this place is located in Valencia and is the most photographed body of water and is a pride of Valencia as well. So this magnificent waterfall is the tallest waterfall in the Visayas region, and the height of this water body is more than 30 meters. People have to hike a certain trail to reach this trail, but at the end it's worth the effort, and it is a great place where tourists can relax and enjoy their vacations. It is located in Taft Street in Valencia, Negros Oriental. So next is Apu Island. So Apu Island is a small, pristine island surrounded by calm and clear waters. It is perfect for underwater activities such as snorkeling and diving. It has even been rated as one of the best dive sites in the world. It is located in the municipality of Dawi Negros Oriental. And of course, one of the pride as well of Negros Oriental is the Mount Canlaon volcano. Canlaon, are also known as Canlaon, Mount Canlaon and Canlaon volcano is an active stratovolcano in the highest mountain of the island of Negros in the Philippines, as well as the highest point in the Visayas with an elevation of 2,465 meters above sea level. Mount Canlaon ranks as the 42nd highest peak of an island in the world. The last eruption of this was this year. Was in 2006, and it also erupted this year, June. I sorry, yes, June, first week of June. I forgot, or July. Check to ma'am, June or July. Okay. So next is Buglasan Festival. So Buglasan Festival is considered as the most famous Dumaguete festival. So Buglasan is usually held in the second and third weeks of October. Oh, June 3. So okay, so Mount Canlaon erupted on June 3rd of 2024. Okay? So let's back to Buglasan Festival. So again, Buglasan Festival, they celebrate it during second or third week of October. At the first day of celebration, tourists can have a look at the different local handicrafts and trades available at Buglasan booth. Um, they can also watch enjoyable and entertaining cultural presentations to showcase the talents of the people in the city. This event features song and dance competitions. Another highlight in this festival or this celebration is actually the popular and exciting chess competitions. Other events that people can observe at Puglasan Festival are cheer dance, pyrotechnics in folk dance contest. So what are the delicacies in Negros Oriental? So one of their delicacy is the budbud. So actually budbud kabog is one of the praised treats by residents in tourist and Dumaguete. It is similar to the famous Filipino kakanin called suman, What makes this different is its main ingredient, which is the millet or kabog, as a cereal crop that has a combination of sweet and wheaty and nutty taste. And so our last province in Western Visayas is the Siquijor. So um, so the actually Siquijor province is the smallest province in Region 7. It has a population of 984, and it has a 6 municipalities. So Siquijor, or called the Island of Fire, it is recognized as a center of mystic power and the capital of mystic activities in black magic. And also, Siquijor is known for its infamous agimat in Gayuma. In spite of this, Siquijor offers incredible sights and is rapidly becoming one of the most popular tourist destinations in the Philippines. Well, some of us are afraid to go there because we are thinking that maybe we will be a victim of their black magic or gayuma, right? So, but don't be scared. Just bring luya or ginger as your protection. um, well, actually, guys, Siquijor Island in the Philippines is a mystical paradise with many awesome things to do, including epic waterfalls, white sand beaches, iconic landmarks, awesome cliff jumps, and more. They also have a caves. It calls the most famous. Give me one moment. So one of their most famous cave is called Cantabon Cave. Inside the cave runs the subterranean stream, while beautiful stalactites and stalagmites hang from the ceilings of a cave's chamber. And they have old enchanted balete tree. This tree is said to be around 400 to 500 years old, depending on who you ask, and is definitely the biggest of its kind on the island. So balete or banyan trees are usually parasitic in nature, creeping up or unsuspecting healthy trees and wrapping itself around it until the host finally dies. It is located in Siquijor Circumferential Road, Lazi, 6228 Siquijor. So they also have a festival called Sulili Festival. So Lili Festival is the highlight of the araw ng Siquijor celebration, one of the tradition valued to this day by the people of Lassi, Siquijor, in Sulili, Binalayi, where the grooms can size up and get to know the bride. So the celebration is to reminisce the courtship period between Tokmo and Punay, and as a tribute to the newlyweds, makers dance the sulili, capping the festivity with shouts of Sulili Binalayi. Sorry about that. And another is hold on. So they also have a Dilab festival. Dilab suggests that distinct hospitality that the Siquijod nuns are popularly known for, and the name the island was once known for Isla de Fuego because of the swarm of fireflies nestled in the island at night. So the festival also gives due recognition to natural assets of Siquijor, and in honor of the town's patron Saint Francis of Assisi, who is known as a lover of nature. So this is it, guys. So this is this is my presentation. So I hope this presentation thrilled everyone that gives desire to visit the Central Visayas or Bohol Negros Oriental. And I hope we can smell the freshness of their air. So thank you so much for listening. That's it. Thank you.
Okay, questions? Questions?
Naka-on pa
Wala
naman.
na lang, Mascara Festival lang.
Ay, part of
Sa Pisaya, dahil ba
Western Visayas.
Occidental na saya?
Ha?
Occidental na saya?